DJI Mavic Pro Platinum Drone Quadcopter 4K Professional Camera Gimbal Bundle Kit with 2 batteries with must-have accessories. Sized Mavic Pro Platinum Color 2 battery bundle. You'll get 1. The DJI Mavic Pro Platinum package, which includes 1x DJI Mavic Pro Platinum Aircraft, 1x Remote Controller, 1x 50W battery charger with AC cable, 2x DJI batteries, 5 pairs 10 pieces of propellers, 1x gimbal holder, 1x16GB micro SD card come installed inside of the drone, cables and adapters, quick start manuals, factory warranty from DJI. Warranty length varies for each part. Check the link and click on warranty period of main parts for details. http://www.dji.com/service/policy. 2. The bundle kit, which includes 1x Kuzam fast fold portable landing pad kit, 1x64GB micro SD card, 1x Kuzam pair of extra height landing gear, 4x Kuzam propeller guards, 1x Kuzam card reader, 1x Kuzam antenna range extender, 1x Kuzam camera lens hood, 1x Kuzam lens cleaning cloth, 1x Kuzam stick protector. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.